Welcome to this video. This past analysis, I'll be doing the full analysis of what is probably going to happen next week from Monday to Friday. And before the end of this video, I'm just like to be giving a free signal which is going to result to you making not less than 1:25, meaning that if you're risking 1% of your account, you're going to make not less than 25% in just one single trade. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss out. This particular video was requested for one of my subscribers who said on for pounds USD, meaning that I should do analysis of what is probably going to happen during this new week, and then that is the major reason why I'm doing this video. And then before I go into the real video on the full analysis of what is probably going to happen next week, I would like to talk about the trade I called on Thursday. Then you can see the order block I make use of here. You can see this order block, and then I draw my zone, and then price eventually return back to it, and then within 3 hours you end up eating my take profit, eventually end up giving not less than 1:7. Can you see they just reward in 1:7? Then how did I call this trade, and then how did I call this entry? It's so simple. You can see this movement here from this last black candle going all the way down, all this red candle forming bearish to this place. You can see it end up breaking a lot of levels. It's the one that broke this level, and then it's the one that broke this level, is the one that broke this level also. Can you see it? It's also the one that broke this low too. So whenever you see something like this happening in the market, just make use of what the order block. I understand that a lot of people doesn't understand how to know the real order block in the market. So if you want me to do a video on that, you can comment on the comment section that I should do a video on how to identify real order blocks. So I'm going to like to create another new video on that. So let's just go to the video of today. So let me just delete all this. Let me delete this, my previous swing trade, and then what should be expecting. So I would like us to go to like a weekly time frame. So you should start analyzing from weekly time frame. So if you check our weekly time frame right now, you're going to see a little information of how much information, and then it's very clear. So if you check this chart right now, you can see what I mentioned the other time. You can see this low right now. What broke this low? It was this black candle that broke this low, and then is the one responsible for this break, and then also this break. So eventually you can see that price end up breaking it here. So let me just draw it. So you can see that price end up breaking the high, going above it. So what is responsible for this break is just this red order block here, which is the bullish order block. So if I have to like to mark out this one, so I have to like to mark out this one, it's a very big order block. So I'm not using this weekly time order block. I have to like to go to lower time frame. But one thing I want you guys to understand, just like you are not expecting price to go all the way below this low. Let me put a line there. I'm not expecting our price to go all the way below this low, because it's more responsible for what this break here. Can you see? So this is the other block we're going to like to be making use of. So let me just delete this and then go to like daily time frame. So if you choose daily time frame, you're going to see a lot of information there. So if you check daily time frame right now, you can see we have a lot of information, and then if you have to check it closely, you can see other block really responsible for it, which is this particular order block here. But if you have like to use this order block, is too way big for us, you understand? So I want us like to analyze using from higher time frame to lower time frame, so you can have a very good risk to reward ratio. So you can see that price all the way down to this order block to respect it. But if you go to like a power time frame right now, you're going to see a lot of more information. So if you check power time frame right now, and let's just see, okay, still loading. So you can see this particular order block here. Can you see? We're just reducing our order block little by little, so you can have what a very big ratio in the market. And then is this particular order block that end up breaking this high here, and also this high, and also some highs there, you understand? So this order block is a very strong order block, so you have to stop there. Because our price come all the way down to respect this particular order block here. Can you see one price respect it start going what on a bullish trend, and then follow what SMS like failure swing. Yeah, failure swing. You can see price going all the way, forming expansion, retracement, expansion. Then we expect something like a retracement, then another expansion, because price is going what on a bullish trend. So I have to delete this right now. So if you also like to study what's really happening here, so you can have what a very good entry in the market. So if you have to study here, you can see this price right now, this moment, it ended up breaking this particular low, and also this particular low. Let me try it out. You can see it was this moment that broke this low. If you can see clearly, okay, now see this low here. Can you see this low? this particular low. It was this moment that broke it. And also, if you have to like to share this low to here, this low, it was this particular moment that broke it. So this high is a very strong high, and then we are not expecting price to break it, but due to price being what on a bullish trend, at the same time we are expecting what price to break it. You understand? So every single time we see this in the market, just indicate that price is going all the way bullish. So price end up breaking this one also. I'm going to like to shift this one from there, then I'm going to like to put it here. So let me just delete this. And then if you have to like to check what's responsible for this break is this particular order block. And then this order block is way big for us. You can't use this big order block. So you have to like to go to lower time frame to reduce the order block. So let's just go to like 2 hour time frame right now. So let's see what is happening. So 2 hour time frame right now, you can see the order block is still the same. So let's just go to like 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, you can see the order block has reduced. You can see the last bearish candle that is responsible for it. So you can see the last bearish candle here. So price is yet like to test it. You understand? Price yet like to retest this order block. So probably next week I'll be expecting price to come all the way down to this area. So from this moment I'll be anticipating for a bullish trend that is going to go above these highs. Yeah, because we have a lot of liquidity here. I'm still going to like to mention this. So if you check this place right now, you can see what's responsible for this page is actually this particular movement here, and then this is the other block responsible for it. I've said it earlier that some people don't understand the real order block in the market. If you want me to make video on real order block, comment on the comment section that I'll make video on the real order block. If I can say 5 people that made this comment, I'm going to like to do a video on it. So that is just for that. So right now we're expecting price to return back to this order block. So let me show you guys something before moving on to the next thing. So if you check like 30 minutes time frame right now, we're going to see another information there. So if you check 30 minutes, I just have to explain this so you won't be confused every single time you're seeing this in the market. Another information, what is responsible for this break here? See, it was this high that's responsible for this break, this order block here. This particular order block. This one here. So you can see that price end up breaking it. It was this moment that broke this low and also end up breaking this particular low, making this high somewhat like a strong high, but price did not respect it. So price is going to like to respect all its response for breaking it, which is this our 1 hour order block. So this one give us like another confirmation that price is coming back to what our order block. And then if you also like to check 15 minutes, so let me show you guys on 15 minutes what's going to happen. So if you have to like to check on 15 minutes time frame, you're going to see somewhat like different story, and then it can also be like similar story. So you can see on 15 minutes right now, it was this particular low, it was this particular order block that broke this high here. Can you see this on this new high? It's not a new high, it's the same high for 30 minutes, but it was this particular order block that break it. And then if you have to like to draw our order block here, you can see that price has eventually what test this particular order block. So if you have to like to extend it, can you see our price has eventually this order block, and then we are expecting for price to test what 1 hour order block. You understand? So price is going to like to take all this low as liquidity. So price going to out for liquidity. Some people are like going to enter trade from this area using this order block, and the price is going to stop everybody up. And then we have a lot of news next week. Can you see we have a lot of news there? Can you see we have this news that's going to occur next week? ISM. Can you see we have another news? Fed. We have job opening. We have a lot of news. We have a lot of news next week. So there is high probability of price halting for liquidity. So the best way for you like to be out of this, so price won't kick you out of the trade, is by you using this 1 hour order block. And then you just like to go to lower time frame and to find another entry inside this particular. Inside this particular 1 hour order block, you have to like to go to like 5 minutes time frame to see what is going to happen there. So to study the chart to see more information of what's probably going to happen. So if you check 5 minutes right now, you're going to see more information. And then if I have to like to enter into this particular trade, I'm not going to like to use this 1 hour order block. I have to like to go to lower time frame to find my order block. And then it's the same bonus I'm giving to you guys. I want you guys to appreciate me doing this video by subscribing to this channel and then liking this particular video. So you can see that what actually broke this high, what actually broke this high on 5 minutes, it was this particular low here. Can you see? we have, can you say, as price is respecting it, because price is going was all the way bullish. So price has like to be respecting every single move, because it was this particular high that broke this. Let me just draw a straight line here. A straight line. Can you see it was this line, not this high? It was this movement that broke this, and then this other block responded for it. Consider price come all the way down to respect it, and then start going what on a bullish trend. So that's just for that. So let me delete this, and then let me delete this other block. So this our other block, 1 hour other block. So you have to like to entry inside this 1 hour order block. Then if you just like to look at the chart carefully, you can see that this particular movement from this low to this side did not break anything there. Can you see that this movement does not break anything in this area? And then if you say that it broke this high is still part of its own high, because this price level does not create a new low. This is the last low here, and then this another high. So this one is just like in the same movement, it's just like inside a particular range. So if you have to like to enter into this particular trade, I'm not going to like to be using this 1 hour order block. I'm going to like to be using this 5 minutes order block, which is I'll be expecting price to come all the way down to this to take this liquidity here. The reason why I'm expecting price to come all the way down to take this liquidity, just like this movement, I've said that earlier, does not break any previous high. So price is not going to respect this particular order block, you understand? And then price is going to like to hold for this by taking this low as what in liquidity, and also this low at liquidity. So I'm not expecting price to just come into this 1 hour order block and then start going all the way bullish. So it's going to like to take some liquidity, or people trading lower time frame. So that's just for that. And then I've said that earlier, it was this high does not break anything, and then this low is not what a strong order block, it's a weak order block. I'm going to like to be using the order block to it. So I'm going to like to extend this. So I'm going to like to extend this to the last place. So that's when I'm going to like to set up my entry, because we have a lot of news next week, and there's high probability that price is going to move very well during this week. So I don't want you guys to miss out this great opportunity and then this great trade. So let's just go back to like our 1 hour time frame. So if you check 1 hour time frame, you can see we have a lot of liquidity resting above here. Can you see we have a lot of liquidity that price eventually is going to like to take all the liquidity out? All this high price is going to take them out. That is the reason why we have news in the market. And then most of the time, news always just like to take liquidity in the market, you understand? So that's just the major reason why price do that. And also overall direction that price is going to next week is just like a bullish trend, but every single time price is going towards a particular direction, the first 2 days or the first day of the week is going to go against the direction that price is going to. So probably on Monday, I'm expecting price to go was on a bearish direction, of which price goes like to come down into this particular order block, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, we start going what's on a bullish trend to take all this liquidity. And then with the airport news, we are going to like the assured that price is going to go above all this high, you understand? And then for weekly time frame, the analysis we did, price is yet like to go above this previous high. Can you see? So I'm expecting price to go above all this previous high to take all this particular liquidity you are seeing here. So that's just for that. So price is going to really move next week. Yeah. So you can see all this liquidity here. So price is going to like to out for it, and then to take people that are going to like to be selling the market out of the trade, you understand? And also what I'm going to like to tell you guys before leaving or before finishing this particular video, like once price gets into this particular block, once price just start this liquidity, start to find what a bullish trend. Once price start this low right now, let me delete this. Once price start out this low, start to find what a bullish trend. This one is still under probability that price is going to like to come into my 15 minutes order block, 5 minutes order block. Can you see my 5 minutes order block that it will start going what on a bullish trend? Price that come all the way down to tap this liquidity and then immediately be going up, you understand? So once price tap out this liquidity, start to find what a bullish trend. And then I've told you guys how to like to minimize or to increase your risk to reward by going to the lower time frame, finding entry, what actually break the structure and other stuff using the order block. And then if you don't understand order block, I've said that earlier, comment on the comment section that I should do a video on order block and how to know the real order block. So I'm just like to do the video on it. So that's just for that. So but if you also like to use this my 5 minutes order block, so I'm going to like to set what entry, set up what's your entry here, and then set up what your stop loss using this particular load. Here is particular load. So I'm going to like to set up my stop loss there, and also set up what my take profits using this particular eye. So let me just draw the eye that I'm going to like to leave the market. So let me delete this liquidity line. So I'm going to like to set up my take profits here, and then if you have to like to check the ratio, this one ratio 26 here. I believe everyone can see it's 1 ratio 26 on my screen. This 1 ratio 26. So if you have to like to use this particular entry, it's going to give you not less than 26%. That means if you're risking 1% of your account, you're going to like to making not less than 26% of your account in just one single trade. So if you find this video interesting, I'll appreciate you guys if you subscribe and then like this video. See you guys in my next video.